Hello, YouTube and Reddit. I'm going to be posting this on the beta sub, but if you see it on YouTube just randomly and you have any answers for me, feel free to chime in. Do a lot of video capture, and I'm trying to get my first working beta unit. This is the closest that I've gotten so far. I picked this up yesterday. It's a Sony SL-870D beta player. It seems like everything is working except the capstan. If let's see, the power is on now. It will load the tape. The tape path looks all correct to me. I don't know if we're gonna get anything on this LCD, but I'll tell you what happens, and then I'll show you if I can. When you press play, well, first I'll tell you, you can fast forward, you can rewind. It also ejects fine, but when you press play, when it's hooked up to a CRT, I get 1 frame of video, and that's it. It doesn't move. The tape doesn't move at all, which makes me think it's either the capstan motor or one of the sensors on the capstan motor board. If it is that, I'm probably not adept enough to repair it myself. If you can recommend anybody with good experience repairing beta players around the Pittsburgh area, or like East Ohio, North Central West Virginia, Western Maryland, anywhere not super far away, that would be great too. But let's see what happens here. Let's see if we even get a frame. No, we don't see anything on that TV. That's what I thought. But you see what happens. I press play. Tape doesn't move, and it kind of shuts off. It won't fast forward and rewind at that point, but I can eject it. Put it back in. And it will try again, and if I press play, pause, it'll stay like that. Oh, we actually got the frame when I paused it. Okay, it just wasn't fast enough. See, it'll show me the 1 frame where it's paused, but it won't move the tape. If I press play, it might have shifted a 2nd frame there, but then it just shuts down. And that's it. You can also turn the power off and on, and it'll attempt to play again, but then right back off. So, yeah, if I'm right, let me know, I guess. And if you can recommend someone for repair on that capstan board. If it's something simpler, please tell me. I would love to just be able to get this working myself, but there's not a lot that I know how to do on these. So, thanks for watching.